Your team has spent years building a macro library that saves hundreds of hours, and Zendesk gives you no built-in way to back it up. One migration, one account issue, and you're starting over from scratch. Here's how to fix that. Zendesk provides no native bulk export in the admin interface. No copy-paste between instances, no one-click backup. Teams that need to migrate or audit their macros have to rebuild them manually, which can take days of wasted agent time. There are 4 methods for exporting and importing Zendesk macros, ranging from free to developer grade: Swifteq for quick free exports, LEAFWORKS for two-way sync, the Zendesk API for custom integrations, and Salto CLI for configuration as code workflows. Swifteq is a Zendesk qualified partner, and their free macro export app delivers a CSV containing every macro your team has built, including metadata, actions, dynamic content, and conditions. It's export only, but for audits and backups, it's the fastest path to your data. Install the app from the Zendesk Marketplace, authorize it through Zendesk's secure OAuth flow, and click export. Within minutes, a CSV lands in your inbox with your entire macro library. No technical setup required. LEAFWORKS is a Zendesk premier partner serving over 300 customers across 30 countries. Their Macro Manager app at a one-time cost of $199 handles both export and import in Excel format, with dynamic content preview across all your languages. The Zendesk API endpoint returns every macro as JSON, giving developers complete control over data formats and the ability to automate scheduled exports. The catch? There's no native bulk import endpoint, so large-scale imports require individual post requests. Your Zendesk plan determines how fast the API can process requests, from 10 requests per minute on Essential up to 700 on Enterprise. For large macro libraries, use the per page parameter and handle pagination to stay within limits. Salto treats your entire Zendesk configuration as version-controlled code using a declarative language called eesel. Run Salto fetch to download your setup, edit macro files in any IDE, then run Salto deploy to push changes back. It's the best fit for DevOps teams already practicing config as code. Swifteq is the best choice for quick audits and backups. LEAFWORKS is ideal when you need two-way sync or multi-language editing. The API suits dev teams building custom integrations. Salto fits teams that want full version control over their Zendesk configuration. Once your macros are backed up and organized, consider what comes next. eesel AI reads your past tickets and helps Center to resolve conversations autonomously, handling edge cases that no macro ever anticipated and improving continuously from agent feedback. Connecting eesel AI to Zendesk requires no API configuration and no webhook setup. Just connect and go. You can run simulations on historical tickets before touching a single live conversation, so you see the results before any commitment. You now have 4 proven methods to export and import your Zendesk macros, from free CSV exports to developer-grade version control. Pick the method that fits your team's technical comfort and budget, and never lose your macro library to a migration again.